What's up, fam? This your boy Jake to the R, and we coming back at you. We coming back at you. We got another beat. Again, we are continuing. I'm doing a beat a day until my channel blow up. Until it blow up, man. Let's just stop tripping, man. Let's just dive right into it. Let's find, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Let's just make it happen, man. Let's start out with artists, personas. Let's do some brass. We got some brass, English horn. We're just gonna do whatever first comes to mind, good or bad. I'm just putting a random tempo. Let's go with that. It's too fast for me to keep up with. I started slow and then maybe work our way back up to that. Mm. I don't know what that sound like. Let's see. Garbage. Let's keep it simple. Don't get no more simple than that. Let's come over here. Let's add some. Do we have some? Did I just pop? Good enough. In fact, let's delete that. I like that trumpet as a main lead. Let's loop that. Just gotta fix it though. Now, what can we add? Let's change that to trumpet. I gotta do better about labeling. Eerie winds. What's that? Let's see if we can find something. Oh shit! Changed the wrong damn sound. Piccolo. We taking this sound as a bass. Hey, hey, hey. this. Let's take that off so we can kind of make this sound more realistic. We don't want that. Let's see. Actually, I like that more like that. See what this gonna be like. There we go. Hey, shit! I think I like that. Hey, yeah. I mean, like shit. I mean, like in the game. Yeah. I mean, like loving the same. I ain't loving the game. Yeah. Oh, man. Ooh, I kind of like that. Ooh. Need a short one. My favorite. I mean, use that one. Use that one. Now let's see what we're gonna do. Let's see what we can come up with, folks. Let's do the hi-hat. Funk key. Let's delete that. Come over here. We gonna be all right. Change that to that, so we can come right here and see what that sound like. Oh shit. We gotta have that whole. You know I want to use that. What, anything over here I can use? No. So let's come back up here. We may use a crash. That's what I should have used. Let's use this. Double up. And then we're going to double up that because I want that to kind of go. See what that sound like. I like that one. We may have to play with that one and stretch that one out to a whole new song. This your boy. Y'all let me know what you think about this one in the comments. Yeah.